Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie and today I have a fun makeup look for you guys. I usually don't do brights. It's not like my go-to everyday look or anything like that, so I figured I would play with some fun colors and I decided to go with yellow. So this is what I came up with. If you guys want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the old palette I'm bringing out for this video today is the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Artist Palette. And if you guys remember this palette, give this video a thumbs up right now. I was totally obsessed with the fact that it had this beautiful shade of yellow in this palette. And that's actually the shade I'm going to use today. It is called Fresh, and I am just going to dive into that color right now. And with that, I'm going to use my Morphe M441 brush. As you can see, I already applied my foundation, I bronzed up my face, and I fill in my brows. So I'm going to grab this brush and I'm going to grab some of the shadow. And I'm going to start applying this onto the crease. I've never done a yellow makeup look before, so I'm excited to see how this really turns out. I'm building up the shade right here. I like the fact that it's not so concentrated, it's not so pigmented at once, because you can just build it up to your liking. You know, it's a beautiful yellow though. Alright, so now that I'm done applying that, I'm going to take my Sigma eye shading brush. It's the E55, and I'm going to go in with that same shade, and I'm just going to apply that on the lid. Alright, so that's what it's looking like so far. I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is the MAC 217 brush. And this time I'm actually going to grab this one, this shade right here. It's called Orange You Fancy from the same palette. And yeah, it is a shimmery shade. But I'm actually going to apply this shade in, take the brush and literally lift my eye a little bit and stick that into the crease. So I give my eye a little bit of definition. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with that Morphe M441 brush, and I'm just going to blend. I'm going to go right back in with this brush right here. This is the shading brush that we use to apply it all over the lid, and I'm going to grab a little bit of that and apply that on the lower lash line. I'm going to see if I wet this brush just a little bit. This is the BH Cosmetics pencil brush, the number 10. I'm going to wet this just a little bit. And I'm going to grab that shade Fresh and see if it gets more pigmented for the lower lash. Okay, there you go. It's a little bit brighter. Alright, so that definitely worked out really well the way I wanted it to. So now that I'm done with the yellow shadow, I'm going to go in with the Inglot gel liner, and I'm going to go in with my MAC 263 brush, and I'm just going to do a little wing. Alright guys, so now that I'm done applying liner, I'm going to go in and apply these lashes from Ardell. These are the double up lashes. Alright, so now that I applied the lashes, I'm going to go in with this eyeliner from Rimmel, and this is in the shade In the Nude. And I'm just going to apply this on the lower lash line. Alright, now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to go in with this lip liner right here. This is the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner. And this is in the shade Mauve. And for lipstick, I'm going to go in with this lipstick from Gerard Cosmetics. This is in the shade Buttercup. I'm also feeling a little bit extra, so I'm going to go in with this NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in Fortune Cookie. Now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with this, of course. This is the Glow Kit from Anastasia, my favorite. And I'm going to use Summer and Moonstone, as always. I think I applied a little too extra, but that's okay. And to set my face, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Oil Control Facial Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. This is something fun and different, not something I would wear every day, but I really do love how it came out. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, of course, if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!